Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just wanted to come on and share what I made with Luisa on our live on Wacky Wednesday. So I played around with some Kscraft bow die set. So this is the reindeer set, and it comes with the bows, the double loop bows with the stitch detail. It's got the antlers and some eyelashes. And this is what we came up with. What I figured out how to make the bows. So I used the blue and the pink because I'm working with a paper collection and it has these colors in it. So I figured I can make these bows, the reindeer bows, and they came out so cute. I love them. The little tiny bow die set, I put the gold little bling on there, and then the larger of the set, I added the pink heart bling, and it looks like this. And then the gold, I think I already put it away, but it's got multiple sizes, and I think I picked that up from Dollar Tree or something a long time ago. I don't know if you'll find it again, but I picked them up from Dollar Tree. And so this is what they look like. And I just alternated the colors on the little one. And then on the larger one, I used the same back colors for the tails. So they look so cute. And I also alternated the eyelashes so that they're not the same. And then I created the candy cane tag, the fancy candy cane tag. And I tried to play with it with the, whoops. And it comes with these hanger pieces too. I can't pick it up. Oh my goodness. So they look like this. Okay. And I cut those out of felt, but the tiny one, it kind of ripped apart. So I had to recut it out of foil paper. And this is from the same paper pad collection. And I just used some flat back embellishments. Acrylic embellishments. I picked these up from Ebony, who's the Rosette Guru. And I got the little Santa in the peppermint car. And then this one is also from Ebony. I'll link her in the description box below. But I added the reindeer. I went with him because I was working with the reindeer bows. So I figured I'll do that here also. So yeah, I got those on there, and I kind of double layered the felt and added some cardstock in between. It just makes it a little sturdier in case I wanted to use it as a tag or an ornament. I can do that too. But yeah, I want to add it to acetate like the way I added the bows here. I just used the hot glue, so whoever gets this, they could just pull this off because the hot glue will just come away from the acetate. And I'm just going to add them into my pocket. This is the Kscraft layered pocket. So I want to add them in here. I was trying to put these into bags, clear bags, and add a bag topper, but it wasn't wanting to go in. So I think I will just do it like this with the acetate and add it like that. And it will stay because of the thickness. And then I want to add these in here. Let me just go ahead and add a little hot glue to the back. And it should just come off whenever whoever chooses to, or whoever receives this. I don't know why I'm saying choose, because I'm the one giving it away. So it'll look like that. Okay. And then I was going to add that in here. Actually, let's put this guy in there. And then I'll add these in here. This I might find a bag for, and just so it just stays in place. And I think that would be complete. This and that and that and this and that. I gotta do some finishing touches because the tag flip won't it won't flip anymore. So we'll see how it goes, but for now that's what it's looking like. finishing off in the back with this. I think it'll be cute. So thank you everybody for watching. Thank you to those who joined us on our live Wacky Wednesday. So if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a new video like this or when I go live on my channel. So I'll see you guys on the next crafty video. Bye.